Hello everyone, I am Dorah MWENYE from Zimbabwe. I work in the Department of Research and Specialist Services in the Ministry of Lands, Agriculture, Water and Rural Resettlement. I am going to present on the research and development of traditional vegetables in Zimbabwe, which was supposed to be a review paper. The role of traditional vegetables in food and nutrition security has gained significant prominence in the last 3 decades, and this has increased interest in research across different institutions. The Zimbabwean Country Report of 2009 recognized about 50 types of traditional vegetables. Of these, mostly consumed for nutritive values include Vigna species, Cleome species, cuckoo beets, and Amaranthus species. The production and role of indigenous vegetables has been studied widely, but the information is not readily available. The purpose of this review was to present specific research areas and trends in the research of traditional vegetables, and the expected outcome is increased research and development in traditional vegetables for improved food and nutrition security. In addition, the review will create a foundation for advocacy for advancing research and development in traditional vegetables. A semi-systematic approach to literature review was adopted in order to uncover areas that have been researched upon in a single publication for easy references. The review employed a qualitative research approach and downloaded articles from World Wide Web, from journals, and also made references to books. The available information was coded, and 3 main periods emerged, which were before 2000, 2001 to 2010, and 2011 to 2020. Various search words were used, including traditional indigenous vegetables and the main traditional vegetables found in Zimbabwe. Thematic data analysis was employed, supported by descriptive analysis of frequencies. The results showed that there is a steady increase in the number of research work. From the 50 articles, 8 were from the first decade, 14 from the second decade, and 28 from the third decade. And this is in line with previous findings. The second finding on ranking of most studied types of vegetables. 3 main types were ranked as the most mentioned articles, which are Cleome species, Corcorus, Cucumis, and cuckoo beets. The review also looked at trends in areas of study over 3 decades, and 7 main themes emerged, which included utilization, production, health medicinal, characterization and biodiversity, food and nutrition, income and marketing, and social-cultural. The most studied theme is food and nutrition, followed by characterization and biodiversity. And characterization and biodiversity has been prominent across the 3 decades. In Zimbabwe, mapping of site location of various traditional vegetables was done, and this review contributes to those initiatives by creating a platform for mapping research sites on specific themes of traditional vegetables in Zimbabwe. The reviewed articles also were limited in terms of coverage of studies outside research institutes in Zimbabwe. It seems most studies were carried out in 3 provinces out of 8, which are Midlands, Masvingo, and Manicaland provinces, and this could be attributed to the ethnicity of authors, amongst other factors that need further interrogation. In conclusion, it is well known that much has been studied in terms of traditional vegetables in Zimbabwe, but what is lacking is consistency and persistence in terms of particular themes, and also unsystematic knowledge and information management at various levels. And therefore, knowledge management of existing information is needed. Also needed are multidisciplinary collaborative research and development teams, and this should be encouraged. Mapping of existing initiatives and production of a directory of research and development scientists related to thematic areas of research is recommended. Above all, advocacy for policy support in traditional vegetable value chains should be prioritized. Thank you very much for listening.